What's going on, YouTube? I'm back making more videos. I haven't been consistent. A couple months ago I would post, then I stopped. Now I'm starting again, but I want to try and be consistent. So right now my goal is to do at least one video a week. I might do a little more. I want to post at least one video a week. So starting today, I'm posting a lot more. So if you enjoy my content, make sure you subscribe to my new channel. Today, me and Jaden are going to be going to a car meet, and then I'm just going to be vlogging that basically. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I apologize for the darkness, but Jaden just pulled up, so I'm going to his car right now. This is Jaden.
What's up?
This meet's probably gonna be real shit, but we're still gonna go to it. We're gonna have a great time.
Springfield meets. What's up?
Oh, good one too. Okay. Got them little pops. The car's a little camera shy. Every time we turn off the camera, it pops, I swear. This windshield. Why is it flopping around? Yeah, the type of cars that pull up to these type of meets, they're just normal ass Maximas. They got children in the back seat.
See me, I would've. Wait.
Is that the meat right there? That's it? I'm about to
Springfield meet.
I'm about to show you the meat. Watch.
Yeah.
Yeah. None over here. Empty over here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars.
Oh, he said we about to hop in the highway, bro. Where?
That's a Honda or a Genesis?
I think there's
that's
an Acura in front of him.
No, that's a what the fuck? I forgot the name. So far it looks like the meet was a bust. There's 5 people who were there for maybe 30 seconds, and then everyone drove away. So now we're just looking to see if we can find anything else.
Look at
Bro,
these. I never see some shit like that in me.
We just pulled up to the second meet location.
Yo,
Yo, this shit's crazy. Look at this. Ready?
Yo, what?
Yo.
Oh my god. Look at the bulldozers.
Whoa, what is that? Come on.
Yo, baby. Put his thumbs up at me. He said, what the fuck? Nothing I can do about that one. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about this shit. Type R?
Let's see under your hood.
That twin turbo V8.
Ooh, look at that turbo right there.
That's that turbocharger, boy.
Crazy. It looks crazy. It has about I did a dyno last night. I think it hit like 837 to the
837 horsepower
to
the
just
wheel.
the back wheels.
Oh, to the back wheels.
With the front wheels, right? It hit like 920.
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That intake is crazy too. This whole build right here.
Yeah, I like to keep it like looking stock. Like you couldn't tell at all.
Yo, the modded intake is crazy.
I know, right? That shit.
Yeah, I like taking off some clips too, like weight reduction.
Weight reduction. Can't forget about Jaden's wheel setup.
Oh, you saw the opposite. Yeah. That shit looks dumb without one. Shit looks dumb now, but it looks even dumber.
We got 2 different hubcaps. And he left his window open and it's fucking freezing out here. That's aerodynamic.
And the different hubcap wheel pattern lets the airflow through when I'm speeding go through the, I don't speed, but it goes through the goes through the wheel differently and reflects off and hits it a different way. So when it goes to the first thing, it curves differently when it curves into the other one. So like when I take turns and stuff, it's sharper. So like, yeah.
The trajectory.
Before you leave, you should let me know if you want to race. You said I said before you leave. I didn't say now. So let me know.
Is he recording?
He's a YouTuber.
600K followers or subscribers.
Hey, followers.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. She said happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye, Liz Medakabada and Allie.
Hi, Lizzo.
Yo, when she said my name was Allie and smiled, I almost started crying, bro.
How about you show them your suspension real quick? That mode, right?
You want me to drive and show you, or?
Yo, your mode
Hydraulics
sick.
is crazy. No one has that. No one has hydraulics like me.
All right.
Sing that tone, babe.
So that brings us to the end of the first video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Quality was a little rough, but eventually we'll get better as time goes on. Pretty soon I'll be going back to college for my second semester down in Florida. So I'll have my car and we'll have a bunch of stuff to do and record. So if you want to see all that, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.